Hi guys and gals, Mike here. Well, today is the day. It's first time to fly the Mavic 2 Zoom. It's brand new to me. It's going to be the maiden flight for this one. First time flying a drone for me as well. I've never flown a drone before, so we're going to give this a try. I've done all the preliminary stuff ahead of time. I like the firmware updates, which I made a video about that for the big fiasco that was. I'll link that below. I've done all the calibrations, inspected the aircraft. I've watched tons of YouTube videos about flying drones and specifically about flying the Mavic 2 Zoom. I watch people like Ken Heron, Kelly at Ready Set Drone, Russ at 51 Drones, Sean Oz, Billy Kyle, and Eddie Ricker, just to name a few. In fact, if you're new to Mavic 2s, I highly recommend Ed Ricker's two-part series called Getting Started with the Mavic 2. I'll put a link to that series below as well. So I'm pretty sure I'm ready for this flight. I've got it set to beginner mode. That limits the height and distance to 30 meters, which is just short of 100 feet. So once I get the feel of it, then I'll take it off of the beginner mode. So without any further ado, let's get this bird in the air. Okay, so we're going to turn on the controller first. There we go. Now we're going to come and turn the plane on. I'm sorry, the aircraft. So I've got it set on waiting to take off. We're going to do the slide to take off.
Low point has been updated. Please check it out the map.
Now look at that. It's just sitting there. We got a little breeze blowing and it's just sitting there. All right, so to go up we push forward, go down, we go down. Can go really slow or really fast. And then we do yaw. Yaw back the other way. And we can do left flight. Proximity alert. And we have forward. And we have backwards. All right, let's see if we can fly this thing. Okay, see if we can make it turn. Man, it's really quiet. Yeah, this is going to take quite a bit of getting used to. See if I can land this thing real quick. Well, there you have it. My very first time of ever flying a drone. The controls in beginner mode are very slushy. When I switched it to the regular mode, it was a lot quicker and a lot more responsive. So I like that a lot better. Just did a few figure eights, that kind of stuff, just to get used to it. So we're going to call it quits for today. I think we did pretty much what we need to do. And I hope you liked it. If you did, please give me a thumbs up and leave a comment below. Don't forget to subscribe and ring that bell so you'll get notified when I post new stuff. I got a lot of ideas now running through my head about new videos and new content, all that kind of stuff. So be on the lookout for that. So thanks for watching. Fly safe, and remember, keep your rotors up and your landing gear down. Tschüss.